I picked this problem from 11.2, and the question asks for match each of the slope field with the differential equations. And the first thing we're gonna do when we got this problem is not to randomly plug in the numbers, because when we take a close look at these graphs, we found out we only have to plug in 2 numbers in order to figure out the matching graphs. So let's take A for example. When we plug in x equals 4 to the equation, we got y prime equals e to the negative 8, and x equals 0 to the equation, we got y prime equals 1. So we can't figure out the actual numbers for e to the negative 8 because without a calculator, but we can figure out that e to the negative is a positive, and it's a positive number and it's really close to 0. So for 0, this graph looks like the slope field looks like 1, and both these two are negative slope field. So 0 doesn't match any graphs. Second one is 4, which has the y prime of 1, and that's 0. That's approximately 1. So match with 5. And that's a negative number. So we then take a look at the at e, which involves y values in the differentiation equations. So we plug 0 and 4 for y values this time, and we got y prime equals 1 and y prime equals negative 4. According to the graphs, 2 is a graph with y prime equals 1, and the 6 graphs looks like a graph with a negative 4. So 6 for this one, and then we can use the same method applied to the rest of the differential equations. And that's how we match differential equation with the corresponding graphs.